Hi everyone, Mrs. Ailing here. I want to talk to you about the hour of code that's going to be in your library. Do you like playing games like this one? Let's see if Grass you can catch that star. Apparently I'm not very good at it, but what I'm really good at is making video games. If you sign up for our hour of code, you get to do three fun things. First off, you're going to learn how to make this game on Scratch. You're going to show Scratchy how to catch that pizza. Next, you're going to learn how to use your visual login to log in to the Hour of Code. Here you're actually going to program with the Angry Birds and start working through the content that we're going to be working on in the library together. You're going to debug a maze. You are going to get one of our Get Scratchy from Ice Age from one part to the other. Last but not least, you are going to learn how to make your very own marble run. A lot of coding has to do with frustration. You'll be broken into teams, given limited supplies, and then have to make your own marble run. So don't forget, sign you or your class up for the Hour of Code in the library coming at you next week.